The uniqueness of the program lies in building the capabilities and competencies of each of the students to closely match the requirements of the industry. The management program at the IBS Business School Gurgaon commences with the concerted efforts to identify the present state of knowledge and intellect of each of our students, identify their growth areas, and provide opportunities to them so that their talent and knowledge can flower fully. This transformational experience is driven by a program practice-oriented and student-centric in nature, which is delivered by faculty members which are highly experienced and enriched from the industry as well as the academia, ably supported by the senior alumni who are well placed in the industry, practicing managers who occupy positions of responsibility in the corporate world, and eminent professionals. The program also has a robust summer internship program which value adds to the students for a period of 14 weeks. Along with this, the unique case study methodology makes the program more enriching for the students at the IBS Business School. The extracurricular and the co-curricular activities are viewed as an extension of the syllabus at the IBS Business School Gurgaon to the students and give them lifelong learning, which enables them to become leaders of tomorrow with ability, agility, and adaptability. Thank you.